company. I'm not for agent being contacted you before.
No, they haven't.
Pardon me?
No, they haven't. This is my first time hearing about this.
Oh, I'm so sorry. So you are interested to receiving and claiming your bronze winnings today?
Yeah, I'm interested. So how will I be able to get it?
Pardon me?
How will I be able to receive it?
Okay, you just have to follow the company rules along with the company policies and everything will be fine for you today, okay?
Okay.
Yes, you said you are home and available to receive and claiming your certified cashier's check today?
Yeah, I'm right home.
Okay, your certified cashier's check that you have won is here in a company. It is valid $5.8 million, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, and how you've been selected here in a company for this first place winner for this month, which you've been paying your bills on time, shopping at your local Walmart, collecting your social security also with your pension. That's all your number been selected here in a company for this first place winner for this month, okay?
Okay. So can I ask, how will I be able to receive it? What am I supposed to do? How will I be able to receive it? Will it be transferred to my bank account?
No. The UPS delivery team is the one gonna have your delivery made out to you today. Are you familiar with the UPS delivery team?
Yes.
Okay, there's the one gonna have your delivery made out for you, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna ask you a few questions here, just to fill out your P1 form here, to fax the revenue service in your city and state here, so they could see that you're fully interested to receiving and claiming your bronze winnings today, okay?
Okay.
That's the first question that I see in your P1 form. Are you a born American citizen by birth or by marriage?
I didn't hear. Can you repeat that, please?
Yeah, I said the first question that I see here in your P1 form, are you a born American citizen by birth or by marriage?
By birth.
By birth international company.
Okay.
Uh,
So how do you get by this number?
Pardon me?
How do you get by this number?
Are you numbering basically here in a company for this first place winner for this month, okay?
Oh my god, I feel so happy. So what do I win?
You win yourself a blue and white certified cash.
Oh my god, I win. So what I should do to claim this prize? What I should do? Get a clean piece of paper?
Pardon me?
What I said I should get? A clean piece of paper and a writing pen?
Yeah.
So what I'm I have the clean piece of paper and the writing pen ready now. So what I should do? Thank you, Black